What's up, guys? You're watching another video. I think we're gonna meet up with the homie Jimmy. I think Gustavo, Hugo, and maybe David too. I don't know. We're all gonna meet up, see what we get into today, and we might be potentially looking at a future car that I want to buy. Probably, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna go check it out. It's a car that's been in my vlogs before, and it's one of my homie's cars that I mentioned right now. So we're gonna go check out his car. He put it up for sale. He wants to sell it, and it's a car that I've always wanted. And it's one of my dream cars. So we're gonna go check it out. I think he's gonna let me drive it. We're gonna see how it is and maybe, I don't know, buy it. I don't know. I need like an energy drink.
I do too, bro.
Jimmy posted something today. Bro, you're really gonna sell it?
Yeah, dude.
100%.
100%.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What if someone brings you the money right now? You gonna give it to him?
Yeah, right now. Book it.
I don't know if I can let mine go, bro. I feel like with the time came down to it, I don't know if I could do it.
What you selling it for?
Oh, that's some classified information. DMs.
DM Jimmy if you want to buy it. But honestly, dude, I kind of want to buy it too, guys.
Oh, no, dude, look what I just saw.
What?
Dude, you're not. Oh my god.
What?
No way.
What? I'm scared. What is it? A nail? No way, bro.
Oh, hell no.
You're not gonna want to drive up there, huh?
Dude, I literally just saw that right now.
No way.
I ran over a nail or something.
That literally just happened right now, probably. Anyways, that sucks.
Yeah, no.
He has a nail on his tire.
10K?
But
I just saw it right now.
this is what I want to show you guys in today's video. Jimmy is selling his R32 GTR. It's the most beautiful R32 I've ever seen. Every time I see it in my vlogs, you guys know I always talk about it, that I want one, that I want his. I think I said it in one of my last videos. I was like, I'm waiting for Jimmy to sell me his car. Well, it's for sale now, and it's a possibility. I don't know. Jimmy might let me drive it today. I'm very, very excited. He's gonna let me drive it. I've never driven a right-hand drive car. If we fix the tire, I don't know. Now that just might have messed up the whole video and messed up the whole day that we had planned right now.
What are the odds?
I don't know, bro. That's sad.
He knows that I'm gonna sell it, so it's gonna start breaking off.
He doesn't want you to sell it. But he said he will let me drive it. I've never driven a right-hand drive car in my life. It would definitely be my first time driving a right-hand drive car. And my first time driving an R32 GTR. And it's not no regular R32 GTR. You guys have seen this engine bay before. I'm telling him to pop a hood right now, but it's not stock, bro, at all.
That's just so fire, bro. I would not let it go.
I wouldn't either, but I want to buy it. Like, honestly, bro, I think I would trade my R35 for it. It's way more rare than an R35 GTR. I mean, you do see them a lot, but not this clean, bro. Jimmy's in very, very good condition.
Dude,
except for the tire. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, except for the tire.
That sucks. What are you gonna do?
I don't know, there's a tire shop up the street. We can go.
Just patch it?
Yeah, it's just.
Hopefully.
Thankfully, it's not like on the sidewalk or nothing, so that's just like an easy patch.
Are you gonna let me drive it?
Oh yeah, dude, fuck it.
I'm scared. What if I break it and crash it?
I'm gonna trade it.
Bro, whatever happens, you can just take this thing. Wait, what happened? That was in your tire? Oh,
Yep.
wait. Yeah, that's my biggest fear, bro.
Oh, hell no.
I don't want to mess up my Mickey Thompsons. But they're patching it right now, which is cool. A cool little video today. Jimmy's gonna let me drive his car, like I was saying, and I'm excited.
Ready?
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
A little bit.
But we're just gonna go around the block and see how it feels to drive this car, bro. I'm excited. But I'm very scared.
F it. We have insurance.
Bro, it's my first time driving a right-hand drive.
Wait, really?
I swear.
You didn't say that.
I swear.
Oh, okay. No, we're good.
Imagine he says no, okay, never mind. I don't want to film it. Bro, this is gonna be crazy, bro.
Feel out the clutch. It's like pretty stiff.
What if I saw? Oh my god, that shit is really stiff.
Yeah, it's pretty stiff.
Damn, bro. How do you drive it like that?
Just leg day every day.
Yeah, this is legit a workout, bro. Like, I'm not even kidding. You can see my calf. Look. I'm so scared, bro. Oh my god, it's gonna be so weird. Bro, this would probably be good for someone that's left-handed.
Left-handed.
I'm so scared, bro. I'm gonna stall, I think. Look at this little vlog camera holder, bro.
Yep, perfect location.
It literally fits my camera. Bro, this is stiff. Like, this might be the stiffest clutch I've ever driven like that. It feels so weird. Like, it's the weirdest feeling. Honestly, like, I want to go like this, but... Bro, I'm scared.
Nah, you're good, you're good. Oh, there you go. Dude, that was perfect. That was perfect.
Oh my god, it feels so weird being on this side. It's so weird being on this side. Like, it actually is the weirdest feeling. Have you been in, like, drive-thrus and stuff?
Yeah, it's a little awkward, but it's fun.
Funny. Like that?
Yeah. Yeah, you did it.
It's not bad.
You did it.
Oh my god, it's the weirdest thing ever. It's not bad. It's a little weird. Sheesh. Wow, this would be fun to drive.
So, are you gonna buy
I
it?
like it. I should buy it, honestly. gonna sell it R35 right now. Or just trade me.
Damn, deal.
I've been telling Jimmy guys to trade me. What are you gonna get after you're gonna sell it?
I'm not sure.
The DLC.
Yeah, I would really want a Mark IV Supra, so maybe that.
That would be sick. Oh my god, bro.
He's been on the first. Hey, no, you're doing really good though. All right, do a little second gear pull.
Bro, I don't know if I can like.
Send it.
Oh my god, bro. I feel like I'm in Fast and Furious right now. Oh my god, car is sick. This is so crazy. I love the screen. Looks like a race car. Where's your blinker at?
It's on the right side.
This side? What
Yeah.
the heck, bro?
You're doing pretty good though. You're
It's not
staying.
bad.
You're staying pretty like centered too.
Oh yeah,
so.
I forgot about that.
Yeah,
It's
you're.
like this.
You see how like you just kind of do it automatically. You don't really have to like think about it much.
Yeah, I don't really think. Oh yeah, that's kind of weird. Now that I think about it, I feel like I'm way on the other side of the road.
Yeah, you're a little bit.
Oh my god, that car is so close. Bro, it's scary starting, bro. Uh-oh, that was a little.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god. The best way I can describe it, guys, is like you're trying to write with your left hand, bro. Like it feels completely different. It feels awkward. I can't believe you're gonna sell it, bro.
All right. So what are your thoughts right now?
I like it a lot. It is weird. It's very weird. Like I'm too far on that side, huh?
You're a little bit to the side, but that's honestly not bad. It's just because it's your mind, you know, like you're used to centering differently. Do you want to do roll and anti-lag?
I don't know if I'm ready for it.
You can try it.
How do you even do that?
Okay, so look.
Push a button or what?
Yeah, we lift this up.
Damn.
Here, there's a button.
That's
down
real
here.
Fast and Furious right there.
Yeah, so you switch. All right, so now whenever you like pull the e-brake a little bit, it'll like engage it. You can kind of hear it a little bit.
Sick.
So right now I'll show you how to do it. So you just have to barely lift it up. Like you just barely lift it up a little bit.
I'm scared.
So second gear, I'll tell you when. You just pull it and then you go full throttle. And then once you let go of that, it takes off.
You want to race?
I'm about to gap the 5.0. We need to convince Nick to buy a right-hand drive car.
I want this, but I always said like my first right-hand drive car is probably gonna be R32. I really want an R32, bro. I've always wanted one. People think I'm crazy, but I kind of like the look of my R32 just as much as an R34, bro.
Yeah, it's
People
not
might think I'm crazy, but like they're both just as sick to me.
All right.
Oh my god.
Good to go.
Time to go. Damn. Sorry.
All right, so go second gear.
Oh.
All right,
Well, this touch is really stiff.
go up to like
What should I do?
like 5,000.
Lift it.
Yeah, lift it and full throttle. Yeah, full throttle. Let go. Oh, yeah, you're good. You're good. Try it again. Full throttle. Now drop it down.
Oh! Bro, Jimmy, stop recording.
Okay. I got scared. I thought we were gonna die.
It was hit.
All right, go back down a second.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Should I do it again or no? Oh my... Jimmy, I'm gonna crash. There's too much going on right now. Okay, we're gonna go home. We're about to cause a car accident over here. There's too much going on right now, bro. I'm stressed. And I know Jimmy's even more stressed.
No, it's good. It's fun.
Oh my god, that was fun. It was a little stressful, but I'm sweating.
All right, we're still in one piece.
I don't know if you guys saw what was going on, but
yeah, the car's
it's
okay.
good? Okay, good. I hope. I was trying to do the anti-lag. The first one was hard to get used to, but it's pretty sick actually when you actually get it
Yeah,
engaged.
you feel it all at once.
And then we almost hit that car. I cut him off really bad. I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
he honked at us. It's okay.
Anyways, overall, it's a freaking fun ass car, bro. This shit is sick. I want one really bad. It feels crazy. It's fast, dude.
It's not bad, right?
Yeah, I mean, you're just as fast as my car.
Yeah, right around there.
We're all right there all the time.
It just feels a lot like more. It doesn't feel like as electronic, right? It feels
Yeah.
a lot more just like.
But I think that's fun about it. Like, it feels more raw. It feels faster than my car. Because I think it's just because it's so crazy. Like,
Dude, you're actually like not
Not bad.
stalling. Yeah, that's actually really good. There you go. You got it.
it's just a little scary sometimes. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I think if I got like a good hour in this car, I'll be good.
Oh hell yeah. Yeah, like if you bought it by the time you drove it home, you'd be good. You know.
Well, the sounds, bro. It's so fun though. I love it. I I'll buy it right now.
Damn.
Let's go to the bank.
And we'll talk off camera.
This is for sale, guys. Whether I buy it or one of you guys buy it, I don't know. Someone buy this car though. It's so clean.
Trade for the Z plus cash.
My Z costs as much as your wheels, bro. Should I do one more fun?
That's up to you.
Should I try one more?
You gotta do one more.
Oh my god, that sounds sick, bro. The turbo sounds crazy. Bro, I'm barely stepping into boost law. Like, I feel like I'm barely hitting it.
Yeah, but hey, it's not bad.
I don't want to
Also,
push
the brakes are really bad. You should tell them.
I can kind of feel it. I'm a little scared.
But you're honestly doing really good. Like, I've had people drive this before and they stall it like 10 times.
I thought I was going to stall way more.
So you're doing really good.
Yeah. I haven't stalled at all, right?
No, you haven't. Not even when they were honking at you, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, that was scary. I love it. I want it.
Alright, everybody go tell Nick to buy a right-hand drive car.
You guys think I should buy Jimmy's car? Should we do it?
Alright, one more. Like in the middle of the street.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. That feels so weird. That is what I would have to get used to, like staying in the lane on this side of the freaking car. Anyways, that was super fun. Thank you for letting me drive it.
Wow, hell yeah, man.
I've always wanted to drive it. I've been driving Jimmy since the day he got it. I think I'm like, bro, let me drive it. All right, guys. Well, that was super fun. Shout out to Jimmy for letting me drive it. Go follow Jimmy on Instagram too, guys. Go follow him on Instagram. He might be selling it, but he does have other cars. He has a Z06. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this before we end the video too.
Oh damn, dude, you left the GTR keys in here.
Oh shoot, now you got two GTR.
Damn. Guess we got a
Look at
deal
the little
going.
keys, guys. Look at this. It's not stock, guys. It's not no stock R32. Big old turbo. How much power does it make?
600?
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Around there.
It's so sick. Like when I fix my E46, you can drive it all you want, Jimmy.
Oh, hell yeah.
So you can see the difference. But it is the weirdest experience, guys, driving a right-hand drive car like that. It was weird. It felt very awkward the entire time. And just staying in the lane, bro, it's very weird, but hey, overall that shit was sick.
Next, Gustavo's.
You guys want to see me drive this thing for a video? Everyone go to Gustavo's channel and make him let me drive it, because he doesn't let no one drive his car. I don't know if he trusts me. Like, I'm actually, feel my back, bro.
It feels a lot
Feel my back, bro.
There's no way.
I was stressed, like, I'm not kidding.
Weird or what?
Look, you're driving on the right hand side.
That's why it doesn't feel weird.
You gotta stay in the lane, because it's a little awkward. It's not my car, and it's Jimmy's car, so I don't want to mess it up. I'm trying not to stall. I'm driving left-hand drive. Like, there's so much factors. Yes, all weird, bro. Weird, bro. Like, weird. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I buy it, or should we comp one of those things for the channel? Honestly, to be honest, I bet you the F80 will probably do better on my channel. So clean. Look at the exhaust. Is it a Tome? I don't know. I think it is. But yeah, it's a badass car. Shout out to Jimmy for letting me drive it. If you guys did enjoy that video, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Almost crashed like 3 times, but we're alive and the car is good. But anyway, short little video. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.